Hello folks, welcome to a brand new video of Mr. Pi. Can you find the length of D? Pause the video and try for yourself in 3, 2, 1. So we have this question from Josh Math 10, and in this question we have CEA triangle having an area of 20 cm square. AB line is perpendicular on CB and CB line is perpendicular on line DE. Here CD has a value of 8 and we have no any other information given. So let's try to find out. Now we know that area of triangle ACE is equal to 1 by 2 into base, which is EC, into height, which is AB. Okay, and now we have AB value to be 10. So I have not mentioned here, but AB has a value of 10. So 1 by 2 into EC is what we have to find, into AB we have a value of 10. Okay, and this has an area of 20. So we can just 12 to 10 and 5 for the 20. So EC has a value of 4 centimeters. 1 by 2 base into height 4. Okay, 10, 5 to 10. Okay, we have a EC have a value of 4 centimeters. Now we find the value of ED. So to find the value of ED, we will use Pythagoras theorem. To find ED, we must use Pythagoras theorem, which is root over hypotenuse, which is EC square minus CD square is equal to 4 square 16 minus 64. So we will get some negative something number, and hence this question is wrong because we can't assume square root to be negative. It will be an imaginary number, so we must use complex number I, and for this we can just say that this question is imaginary and hence false. Thank you.